Good morning. Say hi. Enjoying a little bit of time out here with Sunday, waiting for the sunrise. I don't think we're gonna get one today. It's 5:46 and it should have been up by now. The coffee is brewing. Yes, hey baby, coffee is brewing. And what was I going to say? Oh my gosh, I woke up to an affiliate today. That was exciting. And someone messaging me about my other stream of income. So got notifications on both streams of income already. And I'm adding a third at the end of the month, which is awesome. What? Cutie. There is definitely a funky smell out here this morning, but I saw a heron, probably gray or blue heron, fly by. I think it was the same one I saw flying yesterday when we were out with the dogs. So that's cool. That bird was assigned to my dad, that whenever he saw one, he'd be okay. My dad's still alive, so it's not a sad story, but it's a interesting fact that he said when I was young, and so now I like seeing them all the time. Well, I love birds regardless, but those are extra special. All right, I've journaled, spoke with my new affiliate, asked him the qualifying questions, and I know where I can help him because he is in Nigeria and they have fuel surplus or something, he said, and our Fuel Factor X is amazing. It's like you put $5 into your tank and you drive around as if you put in $20. So that is something we're going to get started with him, as they are limited in what products they have there. And yeah, so that is exciting to start him off. And we're going to make breakfast. Mom and I are going to work on other stuff. What's that? And then just some resting today and figuring out when I'm gonna see my boyfriend this weekend. So this is how I get my hair ready for washing day. This is the brush I used. I combed it all out because my sister, who's a hairstylist, says that you will lose less in the shower doing it that way. And then I use a pick to comb the conditioner through my hair, and then that is it. Gonna shampoo and conditioner. Just got out of the shower. I'm still out of core keto. It's on its way, but I'm still taking the other parts of the Fat Blaster kit. Excuse me, just finished my coffee. I've had so many people message me about the new program I'm doing. I've been busy all morning and then helping my mom with people who've been messaging her. Cellular energy. I've been thinking about taking a break, and then my stories won't upload on Instagram, and Facebook is not updating on my laptop. So I'm taking that as the universe is saying, yes, take a break. So I'm gonna go to the dollar store. How's your day going? Just had a nice chat with my neighbor who's moving out. They were planning to move out anyways, so the fact that now the new owners would give them $5,000 to go was just a bonus. But something landed on my face as I left the building, and it hurt. I think it bit me. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna go to the dollar store. Yeah. Mom's gonna make food. I don't know what she's gonna make, because my sister bought a whole bunch of mushrooms, as you would have seen on one of my other vlogs. Whoa. Someone moved the seat up. Okay. On one of my other vlogs. And so they want to make mushroom soup now, but I'm not into that. So we'll see what's up for lunch and dinner. I had a late, well, no, I eat breakfast normally late now, and it was oatmeal. And it was during Jenna's live, which I need to rewatch. She was giving all the details about the new Akashics update with the AI and robot doing the trading for you. It is going to be fabulous. I was like ready to sell a kidney to get started. So that's going to be my third stream of income. And then, yeah, just keeping on adding the streams. That's where it's at. Well, I was looking through Amazon Prime and found out that the last season of Mrs. Maisel has been out since March. Sheesh. I was not paying attention. So guess what's going down tonight? One of our favorite TV shows. We're going to watch the last season. Look how cute these two are. Hi, babies. Have a good night.